anything to please him. Do you really think he thinks about you when he's out? He's a cold-hearted fake. Oh. Uh-oh. He's been telling lies. He's a lover boy, a play girl. He don't play by rules. Uh-oh. Girl, don't play the fool now. He was out there sneaking. Then called you up to check that you were waiting by the phone. All there was a candy store. He's been trick-or-treating. Dude comes the true love girl. With him there's no one home. He's a cold-hearted snake. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh. Let's start over. He's a cold-hearted snake. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh. He's been telling lies. He's a lover boy at play. He don't play by rules. Uh-oh. Girl, don't play the fool now. You've been up my love anytime he needs it. But turn your back and then he's up and running with the crowds. You're the one to sacrifice anything to please him. When you really think he thinks about you when he's out, he's a cold-hearted snake. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh. He's been telling lies. He's a lover boy at play. He don't play by rules. Uh-oh. Girl, don't play the fool now. He was out there sneaking. And trailed you up to check that you were waiting by the phone. He's been trick-or-treating. When it comes to true love, girl, with him there's no one home. He's a cold-hearted snake. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh. He's been telling lies. He's a lover boy at play. Girl, don't play by rules. Uh-oh. Girl, don't play the fool now. How come I can tell you you're always on number one without a doubt? When he is always coming swimming, they're gonna continue singing in every era. You've been working on 11, but I don't know why. They could take another look at looking this like only see a reptile. To find somebody but the girl. It can only make you cry. You deserve somebody bet the girl. Gotta tell you, he's cold as ice. He's cold as ice. Cold as ice. Stay away from him, girl. Cold-hearted. Ooh, Cold-hearted snake. Cold-hearted. Ooh, Cold-hearted snake. He's a cold-hearted snake, girl. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh. He's been telling lies. He's a lover boy at plays. He don't play by rules. Uh-oh. Girl, don't play the fool now. Look into his eyes. He's been telling lies. He don't play by rules. Girl, don't be the fool. A cold-hearted snake. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh. He's been telling lies. He's a lover boy at play. He don't play by rules. Okay, Fab, sorry, that song's on a loop. So, take a wild guess at what I'm performing tonight. I am doing Teenage Dream by Katy Perry. Alright, so tonight is the Drag Orchestra. So, it's gonna be me, Velma, Chiquita, Sasha, Jay, and Clay. And originally, Van was supposed to do it. So she low-key gave me her spot. And I was like, you know what would be so ishball if I just showed up there as 10 Goth. So like the 10 version of Van Goth. So I'm gonna do like Van Goth makeup tonight. And then also I dyed a wig, one of my blonde wigs, I dyed it green and added some black K-tips into it. So it's gonna be a good look. It's gonna be fierce. It's gonna eat. I fear we're chewing tonight. You know what I mean? And then, oh my god, I'm wearing pads, which is like a first low key. And then, oh, I don't know why I did that. I'm doing pads. Okay. The other day, I go to Alt Renfrew, right? I'm like, sometimes you just gotta go places to like, I don't wanna say like just manifest, but like, okay, to be so real, I went to Alt Renfrew. Every time I go to Alt Renfrew, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna find like the love of my life there. It's gonna be like, what store? And then I'm gonna say, Chanel. It's like, perfect, let's go. You know what I mean? But it has yet to happen yet. Digress versus the world. Whoa. I can hear the bubbles in my body. Where was I? Yes, so I go there, then I'm like, I see the Skims, butt pads are on sale. So I'm like, okay, let me try them. I'm like, $80, like, fine, right? I tried them on. Sisters, kind of fierce. All right, should we move? It was kind of fab. It was extremely fab, actually. So then I'm like, okay, sold. I go to the checkout. The girl goes, $50. $50. $50. $50. Baby, gave her a 50, ran away. I was like, that is absolutely fab. That is like, you know when you get a deal on a deal that you didn't know was a deal? Very that. Anyways, and then like earlier, like today, I was trying them out with like the whole fit, because I have a whole new fit for this show tonight. Like, I'm doing like this black PVC with like this green fishnet. Very like my interpretation of what I think Van Goth is to the core, but make it Paulo. So it's gonna be very like tan goth. That's gonna be my name tonight. And then we also have a meet and greet. So I'm gonna wear like my funeral outfit, but I like with the green hair and everything. You guys, I fear like fab alert. I'm like actually excited. Okay, low-key, let me take my headphones off. Let me do my face quick, because like the other day, like I couldn't charge my headphones because they were caked up in makeup. So give me a minute. Okay, big update, you guys. I'm tweaking. I feel like every time I'm on FaceTime with Van and she's doing her makeup, I'm like, oh my god, you're like overthinking it, whatever. Why would she do all of that? That's so crazy. Now I so get it. But it's like looking fab. But the sun is like blinding me, you guys, and I'm like melting. And then like the fan is like making my eyes dry. So overstimulated. But I fear this is about to chew. Thank god I got ready like so early. So early. So early. Taking my... Okay, this is a sign. Okay, I'm waiting for my Uber. This is the worst lighting. One of my contacts was ripped, so I used another one. Because I only had another blue. I wish I had gotten almond, so I'm starving.
Jamais ça coule, ça va couler noir.
Hi, you guys. So, me and my boyfriend are walking home. And so what I was saying is, so Zane, how'd you find the show?
So good. Very lovely. Oh my god. Tate McRae was there.
Isn't that crazy?
That's insane.
Babe, I kind of live for her Tate McRae.
I kind of gagged. I was like, oh my god, wait, she's doing this so good.
I know. I feel like Sasha's like a really good performer.
She is a really good performer.
Chiquita too. Love Chiquita.
Yeah. It was really good.
Have you ever been to Fufu Cake?
No way.
I heard it used to be like such a big thing. Like back in the days, that's where.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is like every time I walk here, I get so paranoid.
Really?
Did you not see it?
But I feel like I think the difference between like Montreal versus New York, right? Right. Okay. I feel like we're almost home though. They're just staring at my boobs. I give her the biggest smile. Oh my god, I fully didn't drink.
Wow.
Right? I'm like on a Cata espresso martini. And then I started having like, to have a
But-
shake. You know what I mean?
You should like not drink until you go on your cruise.
Right?
Oh my god, so Sabrina wants to go to LA next week.
Fab.
We should come
Why not?
just see. Man,
Come on,
we
plus
should-
the flights are so cheap right now.
I know.
Babe, YOLO, live fast. Wait, how does it go? Live fast, die young, girl. Do it while. I don't remember. I think you should do it.
No. I think I just need to leave for a minute.
Oh.
I need to
Like, do you think this is considered like indecent? No, I'm like fully dressed.
Yeah.
Should go to an F1 party like that.
Oh my god.
Do you think it would be popular? Or they wouldn't let me in? Okay, I think I need to put my slippers on. Can't walk anymore.
Let's go.
Yeah. Just checking. Find where they are.
Ew, I can't believe I have to go to work.
Tomorrow? Oh.
Ah.
Where are my slippers? Oh my god, did I leave them there? Colin, laisse-moi. Ah, my god, une chance. Une chance, une chance, une chance. Guys, slipper.
Slippy, slippy, slipper, slipper, slippy, slippy, slip. Put it in my pussy, 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 pussy.
Oh my god, that feels so good.
I could write you a song to make you fall in love. I would already have you right under my arm.
Oh my god, so do you know they sell poppers there? This. Oh. She drinks wine by the bottle. Oh no, she
By the
drinks.
bottle. Oh
She
my
drinks
God.
wine by the glass, not
Should
by
we
the bottle.
take a cigarette?
I think there's one.
Oh my goodness. There is one.
Okay, now you need to find the lighter. I think it's in the right pocket. I wouldn't know. That's not my coat.
She just ride by the
Oh, she only smokes when she
when
travels. Um, Salam.
Salam.
Really good.
Tamam. Ah oui, les...
Do you guys want to be in my vlog? Can I? Oh, okay, sorry. Like, why say hi if you don't want to be on video?
Right?
You know what I mean? What if this video was like your big breakthrough?
Yeah.
People don't need to put themselves like more out there.
Yourself first.
Mm-hmm.
You know? It's fucking freezing.
You don't understand how. I think the thing is, I love performing with like a chest plate, but ma bad. Non, je comprends. Oh, my neck is like a little crazy right now. Ben, je pense pas qu'il y a personne qui est vraiment dans le mur. C'est vraiment une cool affaire. Oh, he was loving it. He was loving it. Oh, what about that? Do you think they're living or not?
I think so. Fucking island. أنا ما بغيتش لا.
ما bad. Oh, they were avoiding eye contact, which is kind of real. But whew. So yeah, a little warm, but thank you. Okay,
Are you hungry?
Starving. Should we go somewhere?
Okay.
Where?
Should we go where? I know a really cute spot.
McDonald's?
Column.
Column?
Expectation.
Is it open?
No.
I would so have like a spaghetti bolognese. All right, well, I have nothing to say. Kisses, you guys.